Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make macarons eggless, step by step. Many people think macarons are impossible without eggs, but with the right techniques and ingredients, you can create delicious, plant-based treats. We'll cover everything from preparing your substitute to achieving those iconic ruffled feet. Get ready to bake some amazing eggless macarons. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need aquafaba, which is the liquid from a can of chickpeas. Whip about 100 grams of this until it forms stiff, glossy peaks, just like egg whites. Then, carefully sift together 120 grams of fine almond flour and 120 grams of powdered sugar. This ensures a smooth batter. Now, gently fold these dry ingredients into your whipped aquafaba, being careful not to deflate the mixture. Once your batter is ready, transfer it to a piping bag fitted with a round tip. Pipe consistent one. 5-inch circles on a parchment paper. After piping, firmly tap your baking sheets on the counter a few times to remove any air bubbles, which helps prevent cracking. This next step is crucial. Let your piped shells sit at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes or until a slight skin forms on top. This drying process helps create the signature feet during baking. After baking and cooling completely, it's time for the best part, filling your macarons. You can use a delicious vegan ganache, a fruit curd, or a plant-based buttercream. Once filled, store your macarons in an airtight container in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. This maturing period allows the flavors to meld and the shells to soften slightly, giving you that perfect, chewy texture. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.